For families in Carencro, safety and peace of mind start at home, and one of the most important features that protect your loved ones is your entry doors. While doors are designed to welcome guests, they also serve as your home's first line of defense against intruders, harsh weather, and everyday wear. If your doors are old, damaged, or poorly fitted, your home's security could be at risk. Modern door replacement offers more than aesthetic upgrades. It brings enhanced durability, stronger materials, and advanced locking systems that safeguard your home 24/7. Here's how replacing your doors can significantly improve home security and give Carencro families the protection they deserve. Stronger materials for maximum protection. Older doors, especially those made from wood or thin fiberglass, can weaken over time, making them more vulnerable to break-ins or impact damage. Modern replacement doors are constructed with reinforced materials such as steel, solid-core fiberglass, or high-density composite. These materials are built to resist forced entry and withstand Louisiana's humid climate without warping or cracking. For Carencro homeowners, steel doors remain one of the most secure options. They offer a solid barrier that resists dents, heavy force, and prying attempts. Meanwhile, fiberglass doors combine strength with resistance to moisture and rust, a must-have feature in Louisiana's humid environment. When installed professionally, these sturdy materials form a tight seal with your frame, minimizing weak points and maximizing protection. Enhanced locking systems and hardware. Replacing your doors also means upgrading to modern locking mechanisms designed to provide superior security. Today's doors can include multi-point locking systems that secure the door at multiple points along the frame rather than just the handle. This design distributes pressure evenly and makes it nearly impossible for intruders to force the door open with brute strength. Additional upgrades, such as reinforced strike plates, heavy-duty hinges, and smart lock technology, further enhance security. Smart locks allow you to monitor access from your phone, set temporary codes for visitors, and receive alerts if anyone tries to tamper with the lock, a convenient and reliable way to protect your Carencro home whether you're inside or away. Improved frame and installation integrity. Even the strongest door won't offer full protection if it's poorly installed. Over time, frames can loosen, hinges may sag, and gaps may form around the edges, all of which compromise both security and energy efficiency. Professional door replacement ensures your new door is properly fitted and sealed. Installers use reinforced jambs, weather stripping, and secure anchoring techniques to eliminate weak spots that intruders might exploit. A tightly sealed installation also provides additional benefits: improved insulation, reduced noise, and better protection against rain and humidity, essential for Carencro's variable weather conditions. Impact-resistant and weather-ready designs. Louisiana homeowners are no strangers to unpredictable weather. From strong winds to tropical storms, your doors must withstand more than just potential intruders. Modern replacement doors are engineered to be impact-resistant, meaning they can endure heavy pressure and flying debris without cracking or breaking. Laminated glass panels, often used in decorative or patio doors, are built with inner safety layers that remain intact even when struck. These features provide families in Carencro with double the protection: security from break-ins and resilience against extreme weather. Peace of mind for the entire family. Perhaps the most valuable benefit of replacing your doors is peace of mind. Knowing that your family is protected by durable, high-quality doors gives you confidence and comfort in your daily life. For parents, that means feeling secure when the kids are home alone. For retirees, it means reduced stress about safety and maintenance. And for everyone, it means knowing your investment adds both value and protection to your home. Many modern doors also come with long-term warranties that guarantee performance and durability, ensuring that your investment continues to deliver security and savings for years. Final thoughts for Carencro families: home security starts with strong, reliable doors. Professional door replacement offers more than a visual upgrade. It delivers lasting protection, energy efficiency, and modern convenience. By choosing impact-resistant materials, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems, you'll create a safer, more comfortable environment for your loved ones while enhancing your home's curb appeal. In a community that values family and safety, upgrading your doors is one of the smartest investments you can make, because peace of mind begins the moment you close and lock the door behind you.